Good day, everybody. Have been a while. Today is the first time of coming across my video. You are welcome to my kitchen. This is me, your friend Doris, and thank you to all my old and new subscribers. I really appreciate. I say thank you, and if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. Share my video, just give me thumbs up. Thank you all. And today's video, I'll be showing you how to always have some fresh tomatoes on your fridge. Yes, because this period is a period of tomatoes, and it's very cheap here in Spain this period. So if you have tomatoes and you don't have that time to blend all, to preserve all your freezer after blending them, there is another way of preserving it fresh on your fridge. Yes, whenever you want to fry eggs or whatever, you always have a fresh tomatoes. And by so, this is what we'll be doing. As you can see, I have two water here, two bowls of water. I'll first of all wash it here, then I'll risk it there. Then here I have kitchen towel. That is where I'll be placing them after washing it. I'll just add a little vinegar, just like that. A little vinegar to that water. You can whatever you use in washing your veggies, you can use it. So I'll be adding the tomatoes into the water, which I just added the vinegar. It's a very short and easy video, my people. I've been very busy for a while, so that is that. I'll leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before transfer it to the other bowl. So my people, after 2 minutes, I'll just be washing it one by one to the other bowl, just like that. Then I'll be taking it from this place, this bottle, my kitchen towel, just like that. By preserving your tomatoes like this, you will always have fresh tomatoes without the tomatoes is too ripe. You know, sometimes you don't leave your tomatoes on the fridge, before you know what is happening, all of them is just, you know, too ripe. So by doing it this way, after washing up, well, you'll be see what I'll be doing now. We are through washing all the tomatoes. What I will be doing, I'll just cut some kitchen towel or kitchen paper, yes. Then just dry it a little bit. It does not take much time, When you are looking at it, like you feel, this is a long process. No, it's not a long process. It's very easy. Just like this. Just dry everything. Then here I have some freezer bag. I thought I bought the big one. Getting home, it is the smaller one, so I will just manage it the way it is. If you want to buy, you buy the big one, just like this. Then this freezer bag, what I'll be doing, the same towel paper. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I'll take this bag, just take one inside at the bottom of the freezer bag. Just put one there in case if there's any excess water. The tissue paper, the kitchen paper will just soak everything. Then after that, just take some tomatoes. You have to be you have to select it, because sometimes some are more ripe or riper than other. Just take one, take it to the freezer box, in Spanish, to the plastic or whatever, just like this. For the bag, yes, the freezer bag, the freezing bag, freeze like this. If you were to be the bigger one, much better this. I just want to leave this video here today because I really be a while, my people. Just like that. I think it's not bad. After that, just remove the hair. Some hair, remove it, then zip it. Okay. That is what I'll be doing to the rest tomatoes. So my people, we have come to the end of this video, very short as you can see, and this is all. Just trust me, if you do it this way, you see your tomatoes will last weeks. Yes, weeks in your refrigerator, not freezer, just ordinary inside the fridge. You will see it. Maybe some people may have seen it before, some might not. So for the benefit of those that don't know how to preserve it this way, you can see the short video. Just leave this you can leave it at where you keep your veggies in the fridge. Yeah, just keep it there. This will last you for weeks the way it is. I have done it and it is true, it works. So my people, thank you all for your time. I really appreciate. See you all next time. Bye bye.